Welcome to Cooking with Miss Marla. I work as a program coordinator for Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in AZ Health Zone. And today we're going to make a super simple recipe that kids will love. This is the season for fresh fruit to be coming off, and this is so fun for the kids to dunk their fruit in. It's a 5-star combination that's just the ticket, and so easy for kids to put together. All you'll really need for this fruit dip is 1 apple cut into wedges, 1 banana sliced, 1/2 cup vanilla low-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. The utensils that this simple recipe takes are a knife and cutting board, or fruit cutters if you have them, a 1/2 cup measuring cup, a 1/8 teaspoon measuring spoon, and a mixing spoon or a spatula. Make sure that you've washed your hands and the fruit before you start, which I've already done. So I have the yogurt measured out into this mixing bowl, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You want to dip it in and shake it off till it's level. And the 1/8 teaspoon of the 2 spices. This only has 1/4 in it, and so we're gonna give it a good guess for half of that. These spices are just what it takes to add a little bit of spark to this recipe. They always go well with fruit. And just stir it in, it's that simple. I think a kindergartner could make this very well with very little supervision. And you'll love what happens when they eat fruit too with it. So we're gonna just put that into a serving dish. And then cut our fruit and put it around it. You can certainly use other kinds of fruit too if you'd like. This yogurt will give kids and adults some protein and calcium, which is so good for bones and teeth. Now to cut the banana, we're going to put it on the cutting board and either use a knife or a banana cutter, which I found years ago. Super fun, you just set it on and push it, and there you got your banana sliced. For the apple, I love apple cutters too. This will add some crunch and some good vitamin A and fiber for the kids. And yourself if you eat with them. Now, doesn't that look delicious for a hot summer afternoon? This recipe makes enough for 2 servings, so you'll want to double or triple it if you have a big family to serve. And enjoy! There are more delicious recipes just like this on azhealthzone.org, so please visit there and look and see all of the options you have to cook healthy and happy for your family. Thank you.